Hello, my dear children. Must be feeling wow after wow Wednesday assembly, isn't it? And I'm very sure you all are going to enjoy what all we shared with you in the assembly today. And tomorrow, my dear children, we have Thrilling Thursday. Yes, so Thrilling Thursday is going to be really thrilling for us. But first, we are going to wish everybody good morning. Then we are going to thank God through our prayers and then get involved in some exercise and also some simple commands. And then, as you all know, children, those who have registered with us for the EduMax class, which begins at 11 o'clock, are introduced to the concepts that would be taken in the class. That is the live interactive class. So tomorrow, my foundation children are going to revise their numbers from 1 to 6. My Shem Prep Junior children are going to learn about certain emotions and see how I feel. And then my Shem Prep Senior children are going to know more about safety rules. Yes, this all is going to happen in their live EduMax classes at 11 o'clock. And my dear parents, the children, those who have registered can only join. And if you wish your child to be registered for these classes, do click on the link or call us upon the numbers that we've shared in the chat box. And yes, we have a lovely program for our children in the evening also. That is the EduMax Plus. In the EduMax Plus, my children are getting more creative by getting involved in various art and craft activities. They're getting more flexible by learning various dance moves. They're also getting more confident and interactive. They're learning how to speak before, an audience with a lot of confidence. That is happening in their talk show. And yes, we also have various life skills for them where they're learning how to be a better person, how they can be more independent. And yes, my dear parents, we also have a lovely Telegram group for you. Just join our Telegram channel and get all this information and many other learning resources which will help you to make your children more successful in their daily life and in their near future also. So, that's all for now. Bye-bye. Take care.